Benefits of a dehumidifier. Number 1. Reduces mold and mildew. Number 2. Reduces water leakage and flooding cleanup. Number 3. Prevents musty odors. Number 4. Alleviate allergy symptoms. Number 5. It helps minimize condensation. Number 6. It reduces pest-related issues. Number 7. It also lowers energy costs. Number 8. It reduces dust mites. Number 9. It improves respiratory issues. Number 10. It helps protect your household items. Number 11. Dries clothes faster. And number 12. Improves comfort.
Okay. Those things, yeah. Okay, the water will come up.
When it's in that book, you see already there? You wanna come back?
Yeah.
Open this out. Put the water out. Always under this because you do this on there and you put the water out. And here,
Put it back. Yeah.
but when you put it back, if you stop yourself, you don't need place enough. You wanna walk yourself.
Oh, okay.
Imagine maybe you put it inside, you don't make it noisy for what? Lift off and on again. But just hit up this power button, no? Any block control, no way.
Okay, just to charge it, yeah.
Just put power, it's done. That's what the leg control just.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you, not doing well.
The bus coming?
Hello, great souls. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing amazing. You are welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ify Success. So here I'm at the bus. I'll be taking you all along my day today. It's going to be my afternoon. It's going to be my afternoon, one of my afternoon activities. So here I took Joshua from school, so we are heading to Boots to go and collect my doctor description for me. So here is the pharmacy where we are going to. Yeah. Stay back and enjoy the vlog, okay? Remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and God bless you.
That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, that ain't changing. Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, that ain't changing. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay
So Joshua is ordering, it is Joshua's birthday, so I decided to give him a treat. So I told him to get Big Mac, McDonald's for himself. Yes. And he was so happy. Yeah. Happy birthday, Joshua. We love you.
when all I can is thinking about you, not doing well. Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I can lay down beside you,
So the girls,
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Joshua. Happy birthday to you.
finished from school, and I told them to meet us at McDonald's. Yeah, and they were so happy. Look at them enjoying themselves. This is what they love. On the other hand, I was feeding baby as well, because she couldn't just, let go of all the yummy things we are eating. I decided to feed her as well. Yeah. Isn't that wonderful? Look at her. She is well fed here right now, and she feels so comfortable and happy. We are finished. Yes. Thank you so much for watching. This vlog has come to an end, and I'm so happy. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah. Okay, see you on my next video. Remember to like and subscribe if you have not already. Till I come your way again, keep living. Okay, bye from me.